Guten Tag. Hey, this is just going to be a really quick video on how to write a basic German letter. And I'm really just showing you the format, not anything to do with the text, okay? So we're going to go right into it. You guys probably remember how to write a letter in English or in American culture. We usually start with an opening and we usually start with a body, opening and then a body, and then we do a closing, right? So we're just doing a really informal get to know you letter for our Aspire to do. And as you can see, German letters look very similar to American letters. So we have a dear so-and-so, we have a body, and then we have a see you later. Okay, so it's not too different from what you're used to, but it is very important to make sure that we have a very nice Anrede, that we have Textteil, and that we have our Grußformel und Unterschrift. All right, so let's take a look at some of the ways that we can do that. And I'm going more for the informal part because you are writing peer to peer. And even though you don't know them yet, it is still considered in the teenage world okay to refer to somebody that is your peer as informally as you like to. So the way we would do that is for a man, we would say lieber, because we have to make sure that we're always using the correct gender formats. And for a female, it would be liebe. So like, for example, if you were writing a letter to Frau Walker, you'd say liebe Frau. The other thing you could do is just say, hello, John. All right. And then the different ways that you can say, goodbye. There are a couple ones that I want you to stay away from. Right now, you're still learning German, and so I don't want you to use those, single letter things that can mean different things in different languages. We'll have a little fun Aspire to Do lesson that will go over all the funny little things. Liebe Grüße, you don't know them well enough to say that you love them in that way yet. And I don't mean that you love them, but that you have love for them as a person. You don't know them like that yet. And hochachtungsvoll, respectfully, it's just a bit too much. It's a bit more business. So we're going to keep it really nice and friendly. And we're going to say mit freundlichen Grüßen. Or we're going to say mit besten Grüßen nach. And then we're saying with lots of greetings to. And then it says Ort there because Germans often find themselves saying things to places. Like, for example, whenever I close my family letters to Germany, I say lots of hugs from McMinnville. All right, so it's kind of a different culture, but you're sending your best heartfelt greetings to that city. And I will share the name of that city with you on the board, so that way you can all write it down. Or whatever city that you'd like. Mit freundlichen Grüßen obviously then means with friendly greetings. All right, so we're just making a very basic letter. We're going to start with the first stuff that we opened with, and then we're going to build on our letter as this unit continues. So now you're all ready to go. Keep me posted. Let me know if you need any help at all. When you're done, you can get feedback either by sharing it with me or putting into the turn-in box. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.